Voovio solves some of the biggest challenges in manufacturing. Whether you're losing expertise from people leaving or relying on a handful of subject matter experts. The changing nature of the workforce means that there is less mechanical aptitude and a growing demand for digital tools for new hires and for experienced operators to share knowledge. Organisations need to accelerate onboarding and avoid unplanned downtime and incidents. So, how does Voovio solve these challenges? Voovio gives operators procedure clarity with action checklists. It provides 24/7 access to equipment-specific know-how. You learn by doing, with practice, refresh and test simulators. And you can identify and close knowledge gaps. But what's the impact of Voovio? Well, you can onboard 70% faster than traditional methods. SMEs spend 65% less time on training, freeing them up to work on other priorities. Voovio ensures equipment expertise is institutionalized and human performance is standardized. Find out more on voovio.com.